Welcome back. Now, there's one important note about the courses. You may have noticed that only one of the courses is available as a choice when we are integrating two platforms. And that has everything to do with the course settings. In the course settings in one of the courses, you're going to notice that who can access the course are members of a certain level. If we would want those courses to be available in the integration, they would need to be set that only some members have access. We would then click Save. And you'll notice that the course that appears during all of the integrations is the one that says only some members have access. So if you want to have courses available in the integration process, you are going to need to make sure that your settings say that only some members have access when you set up the course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.